Hey guys, pretty much in this tutorial, as you can see I was just testing a bit. In this tutorial I'm just going to be showing you how to basically set up a pretty much simplified version of BB codes. So as you can see, I've got a name and a message. It's just currently an HTML form. I'm not going to do anything with SQL or any of that crap because it's going to waste time. I'm just going to show you how you would go about actually doing it. So I've got index.php and funcs.inc.php, which also automatically says this is not a public page. So if I was to go here, go into func.inc.php, this is not a public page. So we'll go into here. Let's set up the basic PHP first. Oops, wrong line. Okay, so let's do an if-is set statement, and we're checking for underscore post or $_ post and submission, which is actually a hidden form type or input type, because I recently found out that using the submit, like checking for the submit value, won't work properly if you say have a message box or a text area and they press enter in that. It won't look like it's submitted and not all the form data will be sent. So you can't error out. So let's define name, define message, and we're just going straight out HTML entities. I'm not going to do any security things you want to call it. This is just bypassing HTML entities to allow certain aspects of HTML to be used. Why do I always do that whenever I press enter? So once you got those two out, let's echo them. Echo name, echo reg, and of course I've got to quote it. Reg, echo message. Okay, so let's tab over to Google Chrome. Nothing's changed. Nike message. This is a message post. So these come up. Alright. Now let's say we put ni reg key as you saw earlier. And then in here script type equals Java. No, not Java. Text JavaScript. Below it, I am epic. I think that's JavaScript. If it isn't, meh. Post. Of course, I've already got an HTML entity, but normally that would pop up and screw over everyone who uses this page, especially if you have it in a database. But you probably want to allow things like, say, this is strong, bold, strong. You might want to actually allow that by doing something similar to, let's just skip the rest, bold, strong, bold. And what will happen after you finish this is that will work. So, to start this off, we're going to go into functions.inc.php, enter that down a few times, and create a new function called BBCode. And it's going to require one variable, and that will be the message. In here, we're going to strip the tags, just in case. Then we're going to straight out just replace everything. So first up is, let's do the easiest one, which is bold. So if you just follow this preg match, which I'm not used to, I will be doing another tutorial with a mega easier form, but it won't allow URLs, so I just wanted to do this one first. But basically what all this does is allows any text to be put in between it. And I forgot what IUS, but I remember U is for unique, and that is a absolute must-have. And so basically that'll look for our bold statement, and we're going to echo out strong, and then $1 and that's it. Oh, we're using replace, not find, and I'm clearly not thinking. Strong ret. Alright, let's quickly just go straight out and return ret. Alright, so now if we go message equals BBCode message, and then we go to Google Chrome, continue, undefined function. Now that was unexpected. Line 7. Break replace 1, 2, 3. Let's go out. Spelling error. Of course. What else would it be? Undefined function, line 7. You know what? It's pretty. Nope. 2 errors. Let's try this one again. Undefined function. Derp. Include func.inc.php. Continue. Totally forgot about that. We'll delete that for now. Okay, as you can see, it's now bold. Yay! But the next one we're going to be doing is images, which is pretty much the same thing, but a little more complicated. So let's try img. Yep. HTTP. Gotta think of a image. I will just use 1 for now, even though it's a huge image and it'll take me forever to download. Post. No, it didn't work. So let's go back to our functions and do another one. Ret equals preg. Make sure I spell it right this time. And we're pretty much going to do the exact same thing except using images this time. So you can pretty much copy and paste the first line and modify it to do this, or you can rewrite it. Both works. So it's really just changing B to img in here. And then adding the IUS. And going on to the next one, img src equals $1. And then I'm pretty sure that's it. No, I'm keep on forgetting this. Alt equals image. You can pretty much leave that out. Both works. For me, I'll leave it out. Ret. Alright, so let's go back to our form and try this out. Now this is going to take forever because it's a huge image, as I said. Our next one will be a quote. Now I'm going to CSS styling, but whatever. Quote equals Nike 646, and this is a epic message and quote. This isn't gonna work at all. I'm sad. Let's fix this. ret equals preg underscore spell it right, and hash backslash quote equals backslash equals, whoops, got backslash it. And then, oh, if you're wondering, these 4 little letters, they mean anything plus 1. So as long as there's 1 letter, it will accept it. Backslash out that, whatever that's called. Backslash that one, backslash the end quote, well, the end slash, backslash that, hash IUS. Okay, and then we go on to the next one, which is essentially, you can style this basically is the way it's designed. So div class equals quote by slash div, and alright, I don't know what it is. Sorry, just mental blank. I originally followed a tutorial on this, and they had it set up so the quote was below and it would probably get styled up to above the actual quote, and mentally blanking on pretty well much where it was meant to be, thinking that, oh no, it's meant to be on top. So just create another div called with the class of quote. Make sure you actually spell quote correctly, because my spelling is horribly bad today. And no, save it first. Okay, resend it. Now that probably doesn't look like much, but there's the divs wherever it's hiding. Yeah, right here. Of course, if I had submitted a name, it would actually mean something. And then probably the most interesting one of them all is a URL styled one, which I gotta think of a URL. URL equals HTTP. I'll link to that image this time instead. This is an epic image. Don't click here. There. And URL. Submit. Why does it always have to make me so sad? And just because I don't want to have to go below that ugly piece of code. Calling your own code ugly. Could you be any meaner? Start off like normal. URL equals random characters for the win. And I really feel like putting that there. And that looks about right. I swear it looks wrong though. Yeah, let's continue to see if there's an error. And URL and hash IUS, because I am awesome, comma a href equals 1. Well, let's quote this, otherwise it's going to end horribly. No. And 2/a. Give it its source file, well, its source message. This is an epic image, don't click it though. And you know what, I forgot to put HTTP, so if I click this, it's not gonna work. Oh wait, it will apparently, because it just wants to prove me wrong. Now, let's say we had bold I and bold M bold awesome. this will work perfectly fine, but however you did not use the unique statement, the bold would pretty well much, I gotta show you in the source, the bold would start there, it wouldn't end there though, but it would end over here. Now you can add plenty more, so if I was to go into functions, copy and paste this, replace I with I, and I have no clue what the italic command is. Let's just quickly Google that. Italic. Pretty sure it's just I. Yeah, it is just I. And then we go back to here. I am purely awesome. /B/I. There we go. And you can't use that in the title because we haven't allowed it. Now, like in the name, sorry. Now if you wanted to, it'd be as simple as going to index.php, going down to name, and then equals BBCode name. Refresh. Our name is now bold. How awesome is that? So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Sorry for it being so long. I will do a really simpler one if I can figure it out. I haven't actually done that one because I prefer this method. But pretty well much it uses an array of preset types, and then it searches that array when it goes through the message searching for that, and it replaces it with this, and that's pretty much how it's done. But as I said, I prefer this way. You can do so much more, and just looking at the functions link, you can create as many as you want. You could even create a flash one, like using red, and allow flash variables and all that crap, and everything you want. Just be a matter of setting up, just like setting up all this. Biggest pain in the ass would probably be all this crap because it takes a minute to type it out, basically. Anyway, not sure if there's anything else I should say, so I'm gonna go now and I'll annotate anything that I need to say.